Hello guys, this is Akash. Welcome back to this YouTube channel Answer with Lecture. In this video, I am going to discuss another chapter, that is statistics in the top 15 question series JEE 2023 for April attempt, which I started and I already completed the mathematical reasoning session. If you didn't watch those sessions, also watch those sessions also, because I discussed the 15 questions which came in the previous years that have the maximum probability to come the April attempt, because the 2021, 2022 and 2023 questions are nearly same concept, and the problems are repeating, so you can practice those questions. And also, if you didn't watch the change makers batch series, watch those series also, because in that series I completed each and every chapter in detail in one shot, around 1.5 hours to 2 hours, so it is very easy for you to revise the entire chapter in less amount of time. So now let's get into this video, and this is the first problem in the statistics of top 15 question series for JEE 2023 April attempt. What the question is saying that, let a equal 9 equal to x1 less than x2 less than x3 up to x7 be an AP. They are saying that the first term of the AP is x1 and x2 x3 up to x7. These are all the 7 terms, 7 terms of AP, and they are saying that x1, x2, x3 up to x7, these are 7 terms of the AP. They are saying that this x1 term has given already, that is 9. So 9, what will be the second term? So in order to make easier, the second term we can assume as not x2, we can assume as 9 plus d, by taking the common difference as d, and here 9 plus 2d, like that I can assume, and the last term will be 9 plus 6d. So this is a trick here to assume the terms, means the common difference d, that is 9 plus d, 9 plus 2d up to 9 plus 6d. So this is a thing here, and they are saying that with common difference d, if the standard deviation, SD means standard deviation here, if the standard deviation of x1 x2 up to means these terms standard deviation is 4 and the mean is x bar, they are asking x bar plus x6. x6 is the sixth term. The what is sixth term? Actually they are asking x bar plus a plus 5d, they are asking. So you have to calculate a and you have to calculate d. So for that, first we will apply the standard deviation trick here. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is sigma xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square root. What they given? This is standard deviation formula, and they given as 4. So when I take this root as a right side, I will get what is sigma xi square, squares of all the terms, that is 9 square plus 9 plus d whole square, like that up to 9 plus 6d whole square, divided by what are number of terms? Number of terms are 7 minus what is x bar, summation of all this, 9 plus d up to 9 plus 6d divided by 7, and this is whole square, equal to, when I take this root as right side, 4 square is 16. So now we have to solve this thing. Basically here when you see 9 square, and in this bracket also 9 square is happening, 9 square up to 9 plus 60 terms, there is 9 square. So how many 9 squares are there? 7 9 squares are there. So I can written as 7 into 9 square plus, and here there is d square, and in second term there is 2d whole square, means there is d square plus 2d whole square and so on up to 6d whole square. This is another thing here. And next, when I open this square, that is bracket, 9 square plus d square is okay, and another term 2ad is also coming, that is 2 into 9 into d, 2 into 9 into d, this term is also happening, like that. When you take here 2 into 9 into d, 2 9d, that is 18d. 18d is happening, and in the next bracket it will become 2 into 9, that is 9 plus 2d square. 9 plus 2d square, when I open 9 plus 2d square, I will get 9 plus 2d whole square, I will get 2 into 9 into d. So this is 4 into 9 into d, 4, that is 36d up to what? 9 plus 6d whole square. When I open this, I will get 9 to 18 into 6, that is 48, that is 108d I will get. So up to 108 into D. This is another thing happening here. Divided by 7. And also here minus 9. How many times here occurring? That is 7 times. So I can written as 9 into 7. And when I taken D as common, I can get here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 6. So what is the formula of sum of natural numbers from 1 to 6? It is 6 into 7 divided by 2 here, divided by 7. So 7, 7, 7 can be cancelled here. And here it is 3. So finally what is becoming here? That is 9 plus 3D. The final here output is complete is 9 plus 3D here. Because 9 is here plus 3D. So I can write this as 9 plus 3D. And now let's see this. And here D square, 2D square. When I take D square as common, you will get 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. That is sum of squares. So here when I take this as common, that is D square as common, that is 1 square, 2 square, up to 6 square I am getting. What is the formula of sum of squares of natural numbers? The sum of squares of natural numbers is simply n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So what is n here? Here n is 1 to 6 natural numbers. So 6 into 7 into 6 to 12, that is 13 divided by 6. 6 cancel, 7 into 13. So I simply replace this thing completely as 7 into 13. And here I can take 18D as common. When I take 18D as common, I will get 1 plus 2 plus up to how much is 108? 108 is 6 times. So like this, 18 into D into this already I said to you. Sum of natural numbers formula is 6 into 7 divided by how much? Number of terms 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N into n plus 1 divided by 2, that is 3. And here I am getting 18D, that is 18 3s 54D into 7. I am getting, so I can completely replace this. And can write 54D into 7. So here entire 7 will get cancelled. So what the final thing has remained here? 8 square, 9 square is 81 here. 81 here and plus 13 plus 54D. 54D is the final here. And also here this entire thing is transformed to 9 plus 3D, but here there is a square here. I forgot to keep the square, that is whole square here. And also the final thing here is 81 plus 13 here plus 54D. How much it will? 94. That is 94 plus 54D here, complete. 94 plus 54D. This complete thing we can write as 94 plus 54D and minus here. How much minus? That is minus of what? When I open this square, that is 81. 81 plus 6D square. One second. One second, I will do neatly, because here if you do plus or minus error, it is very difficult for you to do again. So I am doing again 9 plus D, 9 plus 2D, up to 9 plus 6D. So first the standard deviation formula, that is 9 square plus 9 plus D whole square up to 9 plus 6D whole square divided by how much? Number of terms 7 minus 9 plus D up to 9 plus 6D divided by 7 whole square, and this is equal to 4. And this is a standard deviation formula, and when I take this root to right side, it will become 16. Now here 9 square, it is happening 7 times. 9 square into 7 plus, and when I take d square as common, it is a formula. It is a formula of here it is d square, it is 2d square. When I take d square as common, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 6 square. So it is 6 into 7 into 13 divided by 6. 6 cancel here. So finally it is 13 into 7 here. And next what we will get? And when I take here, how much it is coming? 18d, and next 36d up to 108d. So when I take d as common, that is 18d as common, I will get 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is this? 6 into 7 divided by 2, that is 3. And 18 3 is 54d. And here 7. Complete divided by 7. 7 will get cancelled. And the final answer is 81 plus 13d square plus 54d minus, when I solve this thing, in the previous session only I did, that is 9 plus 3d whole square I got. When I open this, it will be 8 square plus 9d square plus 2 9s are 18, 18 3 is 54d. So when I subtract these things, minus 81 minus 9d square minus 54d, so minus 81 plus 81 will get cancelled. 13d square minus d square, it is 4d square, and 54d will get cancelled. 4d square equal to 16. So d equal to plus or minus 2, but they said the terms are increasing, so d cannot be negative. So we accept plus 2, minus 2 we reject. And now they are asking x bar plus a plus 5d. A we already know. What is a? The first term. So it is 9 only. Plus, what is the mean here? The mean is 9 plus 3d. What is mean? X bar equal to 9 plus 3d. When I add all these terms and divided by 7, that is only mean na. So 9 plus 3d is a mean. And when I substitute this thing, 9 plus 3 into, what is d? 2. So 3 to 6 and 9 plus 9, that is 15. So here x bar is 15. X bar is 15 and a is 9 plus 5 into d. How much d? D is 2. 5 is 10. So final it is 19 plus 15, that is 1434. So the option is B. Like this you have to do. Basically you have to remember only the formulas and little bit concept. So basically I can write the formulas in some formulas here. So if you want to see all the formulas of the statistics, you can go and watch the video of the statistics in the Changemakers batch. The first formula is mean equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. And the second formula, that is standard deviation, which is represented by sigma. Sigma equal to, standard deviation sigma is root of sigma xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. And next third formula, that is variance, that is sigma square, which is denoted by sigma square, and the formula is same as standard deviation, but there is no root here. So these three formulas only give 4 marks to you. These simple 3 formulas. And for variance there is another formula you can watch in the Changemakers batch series. It is very big formula and there is no application, but you have to remember those formula also. It is combined variance formula. These 3 formulas you have to remember. And now let's go into second question. The first question has completed. Now it's time for second question. Now the second question is the mean and variance of five observations of 5 and 8 if 3 observations are 1, 3, 5 135, then sum of cubes of the remaining two terms. Remaining two observations is, they given four options A, B, C, D. It is 1072, 1792, 1216, 1456. So basically they are saying that they given the mean and variance of 5 observations. What they are saying, there are 5 observations and the 5 observations mean is 5 and the 5 observations variance is 8. Here I can write mean equal to 5 and variance equal to 8. And if 3 here 30, it is not 30, it is 3 observations, or in these 5 observations 3 observations given to us. Let assume the remaining 2 as A and B. So the 5 observations will be 1, 3, 5 and A, B. So these are all the 5 observations. For these 5 observations we got mean equal to 5 and variance equal to 8. Now they are asking, there are left A and B, that is unknown terms. We have to find cubes of them and summation, that is A cube plus B cube we have to find. This is a question. So how to find A cube plus B cube? By using these two. There are 2 unknowns we have to find. So for finding 2 unknowns, there are 2 equations for us. So we can solve. So what is mean? Mean is sum of observations. That is A plus B divided by 5 equal to 5. So what is a complete total? That is 25 here. And what is the summation here? 1 plus 3, that is 4, 4 plus 5, that is 9. So what is A plus B? A plus B equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. This is the first important equation. And next, in the variance equation, what we can do? Variance is sigma x square divided by n minus x bar whole square equal to variance is 8. And what is sigma x square? Squares of the each and every observations. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, A square plus B square divided by 5 minus what is sigma, that is x bar whole square, that is, don't do again what we done here, because it is difficult for you. You can just simply replace the mean, because the mean is already known to us, that is 5. What is 5 square? That is 25 equal to 8. And when I take this 25 to right side, it will become 25 plus 8, that is 33. And when 5 I will multiply, I will get 33 into 5, 165. So, and what is the summation of this thing? 1 square, that is 1, 3 square it is 9, 1 plus 9 that is 10, 10 plus 5 square is 25, that is 35 complete. That is 25, 25, 26, 26, 9, 35. 35 plus A square plus B square equal to 165, and A square plus B square equal to how much? It is 130. So A square plus B square value we got 130. And what about A plus B equal to 16 we got? So here A plus B is there, here A square plus B square is there. In order to find the another term, you can just square this. A plus B whole square equal to 16 square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB equal to 256. A square plus B square value is 130. So 2AB equal to 256 minus 130. And how much it is? It is 126 here. So AB equal to 61. AB equal to 61 we got. And now AB equal to 61 and A square plus B square equal to 130, A plus B equal to 16. The complete values are now here. And now we want A cube plus B cube. How we can get A cube plus B cube term? From the first equation only. So I said that is the reason why I said it is important. A plus B equal to 16. So I simply cubing this. I get here A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B equal to 16 into 16, that is 256. 256 into 16, 6 6 36, 6 5 30, 33, 16 is 12, 15, 6 5 2, 6 9, 10, 4, 4096 equal to 4096. I want this because The question is like this only. I have to find a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is there. So the left terms I shift to right side. And also before shifting, what is ab value? That is 61. So 3 into 61 into what is a plus b value? A plus b value is 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 into 61, that is 8 4 48 28 8 12 9 2928. I got complete as 2928. So I simply shifting to the right side. I got a cube plus b cube equal to 4096 minus 2928. So what is the answer? 2928. Here it is 16. Is this correct? 3ab into a plus b. 1 second. 3 into a into b is 61. Into a plus b is 16. 16 3 is 48. 48 into 61, that is 8 4. 8 6 are 48. 6 4 is 24. 28. It is 8. It is 12. 2928 only, na? Okay. 4096 minus 2928. It is, here it is 16, here it is 8, and here it is 9, and here it is 3. That is 1068. But we have to got. Is there any calculation mistake? Sorry. Here 2ab equal to 126. Here it is 63, not 61. So this type of simple mistakes can completely take your 4 marks. AB equal to 63 here. So I have to multiply with 63. So here it is 63. So 48 into 63 is 8 is 24, 4 3 is 12, 13, 14, 8 6 are 48, 4 6 are 24, that is 28, that is 4, 12, and 10, 3024. Here it is 3024. So now 4096 minus 3024. It is 2701, 1072. That is a cube plus b cube equal to 1072, which is option A. Like this you have to do. Simply here see 661, which is a mistake. So I again recheck the answer because I am getting 3024 the remaining values which is not there in the option. So don't make any tension here. You can directly recheck the calculation which you have done. Is there any mistake found? You can directly jump into and correct it, and after correction you can find the answer definitely. So don't be at a tense mode. You can solve the question, but you have to be very patient and don't do this type of silly mistakes. Try to avoid this. Because in exam you don't have that much time to again rechecking and again doing. So it is very important to you. And now the third question. The third question is the mean and variance of data 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, x, y. X, y, here x less than y, or 6 and 9 by 4. They are asking x power 4 plus y square. Option A 320, option B 420, option C 162, option D 674. So the mean and variance of the data again same form only. There is no twist in the question. The mean and variance. What is the mean here? Summation of all. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus x plus y. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the mean given? 6. And what is the variance here? Square of all these things. 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus x square plus y square divided by 8 only minus x bar whole square, that is x bar is 6, square is 36, equal to how much it is given? It is given 9 by 4. and we have to find the sum. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9. While doing sum, be careful. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28, 36. 36 plus x plus y by 8 equal to 6. And when I shift to 8 to right side, it will become 48. And x plus y total is 48 minus 36. And I will get how much? That is 12. This is the first equation. And here 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and again another 36, 49, 64. Like that sum is given. Now adding 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 6, that is 17, 17, 23, 23, 23 plus 13, that is 6, 36. And here 3 plus 3 is 6, 9, 9 plus 10, that is 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, that is 216. So the complete sum is 216. 216 plus x square plus y square divided by 8 minus 36 equal to 9 by 4. So I simply shift this minus 36 to right side, it will become plus 36. So 9 plus 36 into 4, that is 24, that is 144. 144 plus 9, that is 144 plus 9, it is 153. 144 plus 9, it is yes, 153. 153 divided by 4 simply here equal to, it is 216 plus x square plus y square divided by 8, it is 4 ones, 4 twos, and 153 is 2s are how much? That is 306. And x square plus y square equal to, when I shift to it, it will become x square plus y square equal to 306 minus 216, that is 306 minus 216, 0, it is 10, and it is 2, 0, and it will become 90. So x square plus y square equal to 90. And don't do the simple mistake here. They are asking x power 4 plus y square, not x square plus y square. And don't simple check the options, because the asking question is different here. And now x square plus y square equal to 90, and we got x plus y equal to 12. In the same previous, what we done? Simply square this. We will get 2xy equal to 12 minus x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? It is 90. So xy equal to here, how much? 10, that is 78. 78 by 2, that is 39. That is minus. Xy equal to minus 39. But they are asking x power 4 plus y square. So here, x power 4 plus y square. Simply observe this. X square whole square plus y square. How we can solve this question? X power 4 plus y square we have to solve. So here simply finding xy term is not that much efficient way. We have to find other thing, that is x power 4 plus y square. How we can solve this? X power 4 plus y square It is basically the calculation. We have to thought how to do x power 4 plus y square. X power 4 plus y square, how to do? Is this sum correct? 4 square it is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11, 17, 17, 23, 23, 27, 27, 36, 9, 9, 13, 16, 19, 19, 21, 216 only. So the sum is correct here. And here also we done the calculation correct only. 4 ones, 4 twos, and 153 twos, it is 306 only. Yes, it is correct. And the squares we got 90. So simply here we can do one thing, that is here by taking a trial and error trick. That is, they are saying that sum of the two numbers is 12 and the squares of the numbers is 90. So why can't we take the two numbers whose sum is 12 and whose squares addition is 90, x and y. Suppose if I take 8 and 4, suppose 8 and 4 I cannot take because y is greater than x. So 4 and 8. Sum is 12, yes, it is satisfied, but squares I have to check. 16 and 64. It is 80, not 90. So this is rejected. I do another trial. Suppose if I take 3 and 9. Sum is 12, yes, it is satisfied. Sum is 12, it is satisfied, and 3 square is 9 and 9 square is 81. Yes, it is satisfied. So here the two numbers x comma y, x equal to 3 here, y equal to 9 here. And now we have to solve x power 4 plus y square, because there is no formula for x power 4 plus y square. You cannot write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b and a square plus b square plus 2ab, like that. There is no formula for x power 4 plus y square. Simply you have to assume this thing, x equal to 3, y equal to 9, and when x equal to 3, y equal to 9, they are asking x power 4 plus y square. X power 4 is 3 power 4 plus y square is 81. What is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is 3 power 4 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So simply it is 81 plus 81, that is 2, that is 162, and which is option C. Simply like this you have to do. Don't try to find the complete x and y solution. Simply do the trial and error method. But always don't go for this. But the question is demanding, that is the reason why we taken. And here, and now we have to do the other question, that is fourth question. Here the mean and standard deviation. The mean and standard deviation of 15 observations. The mean and standard deviation of 15 observations are found to be 8 and 3. 8 and 3 respectively. On rechecking, it was found. On rechecking, it was found. It was found in the. On rechecking, it was found that in the observation. In the observations, 20 was 20 was misread as 5, then correct variance is, basically this is numerical type answer which came in the JEE 2023 January attempt. The mean and standard deviation was given 8 and 3 of 15 observations, but here there is a mistake. On rechecking, it was found that in the observations 20 was misread as 5, means actual observation was 20, but it has read 5 and calculated mean and standard deviation, and it was found to be 8 and 3, but it has misreading. So we have to subtract 20, that is subtract 5 and add 20 here. So basically first we calculate the correct mean. Actual mean, what they given? Sum of observations of 15, that is sum of 15 observations divided by number of observations, that is 15, equal to how much they given, that is 8, and 15 8s, here it is 120. So the actual sum, that is the incorrect sum, was 120. In these 15 terms, the first 14 terms has no problem, but the 15th term, which actually was 5, but we which actually was 20, but we read as 5. So what we can do? We can simply add 20 and subtract 5. So it is correct. So the reason here is we are not disturbing the terms. We just taking one term which is 5 and we just adding 20. So up to now the terms is 15 only. So the entire sum will be, now here the entire sum is 120. So for this 120 sum, I am just adding 20 and subtracting 5. What I will get? I will get 135. So this is the correct sum. And for this correct sum, if I do the mean, that is 135 divided by 5, I will get 15, that is 5 3s, 527, that is 9. So what is the actual mean? The actual mean is 9 and not 8. Actual mean. And now it's time for the standard deviation. Now why you are taking the sum here? Because the 15 terms which they are given has not given here. That is, the values are not given, just they said 15 observations. That is the reason we are just deriving the summation here. So now we will do the standard deviation. What is standard deviation? It is root of sigma xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. First I am doing incorrect one. So here it is given as 3. When I take under root term as right side, I will get it as 9. So here in the up part it is summation. That is, summation is suppose first term square, second term square up to 15 terms square divided by number of terms is 15 minus here also. What is x bar? In the previous thing, what x bar is given 8. So we can simply substitute 8 here. Previous one we have to substitute because we are taking the incorrect sum. So when I shift the 64 to right side, what I will get? 64 plus 9 is 73. So here it is 73 and 15 into 73 I can do here. So 5 3 is 45, 15 sevens 105 plus 4, that is 109. So basically we got 1095. And in this summation, that is squares of the summation, what actually has happened? We actually added plus 5 square. The first 14 terms has no problem, but the 15th term, that is actually it is 20 square. So simply we add 20 square to this and simply we subtract 5 square to this. So the entire sum is 1095. So for this I simply adding 20 square summation and subtracting 5 square summation. So I can get actual summation of squares. So basically it is 20 square is 400. So it is 1095 plus 400. It is 1495, but we have to subtract 25 because the actual correct sum is plus 20 square minus 5 square plus 1095. So we can get here 1470. So this is the actual squares sum. So for this, if I calculate the variance again, If I calculate the variance, what is variance? Variance is simple, sigma xx square by n minus x bar whole square. And sigma xx square, what is the actual sum? That is 1470. The number of terms is 15 minus what is the correct mean here? Correct mean we got 9. Actual mean. So simply that is 81. We can square this. And when we do this, sigma xi square sum is like this only. Yes, it is correct. They are asking what is the correct variance. So variance is simply sigma xi square by n. Yes, everything is correct only here. 15 3 is 45, 15 sevens, correct only. 15 3 is 45, 15 sevens, 15 sevens, 105, 105, 109. Yes, it is correct. And 1470, it is correct. Now we have to do this. 1470 minus 81 into 15 divided by 15. 81 into 15, that is 15, 15 8 is 120. 15 is 15, 15 8 is 120, 121. So 10 minus 115. It is 255. That is 255 divided by 15. So this is the final answer. And when we solve this, 5 3s, 5 51s, 3 1s, 3 17. So the final correct variance is 17. Please check this. They are asking correct variance, not incorrect variance. The incorrect variance may be different. The correct variance is 7. Then what is incorrect variance? Simply the square of standard deviation. Standard deviation is 3. Simply square this. How much we will get? 9. So the incorrect variance is 9, but the correct variance is 17. So like this you have to do. And now the next question. Let S be the set. Let S be the set of all. Let S be the set of all values of A for which the mean deviation about the mean of 100 consecutive positive integers A1, A2, A3 up to A100 is 25. Option they are saying 5. Second option is 99. Third option is natural numbers. Fourth option is simply 9. So in question what they are saying, let S be the set of all values of A. Means we have to find the values of A and we have to keep in a set, and what the set of all the values of A for which the mean deviation, that is MD means mean deviation here, the mean deviation about the mean of 100 consecutive terms, 100 consecutive positive integers. So they are given A1, A2 up to A100 are the 100 consecutive. What are consecutive? The next numbers are said to be consecutive. Suppose if we take 1, 2, 3, these are consecutive numbers because the next term is simply just by adding 1 consecutive term. So I can take A1 as 1, means we can take A1 and we can simply replace A2 as A1 plus 1, simply we can replace. So like this, A1 here, this is A1 plus 1, this is A1 plus 2, like this. The last term will be, what is the last term? The last term is A1 plus 99. Yes. we can replace like this, because those are consecutive and they are saying we have to find the mean deviation and mean. So to find the mean deviation, first we have to calculate the mean. What is mean? Mean is just summation, sum up to 99 divided by how many terms it is? 100 terms, and the mean of this is 25, and when I take this 100 to right side, I will get 2500. And now, and A1 up to 100 times 100 A1, and the ones 1, 2, 3, we can simply do here summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 99. So I can simply apply the formula of n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 99 numbers are there. So 99 into 100 divided by 2, that is 50 here, and it is 45, 9 first 45, 50, 50, 50. Yes, 5050. So here 100 A1 plus 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So it will become n into n plus 1, that is 99 into 100 divided by 2, 250s, 9 5 45, 45, 5050. Yes, it is correct. 5050 equal to 2500. And now, about the mean of, sorry, here there is a mistake here, because let S be a set of all values of A for which the mean deviation about the mean of 100 consecutive numbers is the given mean deviation. The given mean deviation, not mean. So we cannot equate this. We just find this value and not equating. So basically the value is divided by 100 here, because in the previous 100 will be there. So when I cancel this, I will get A1, and here it is simply A1 plus 505 divided by 10, it is simply 2101. Yes, it is simply 101 by 2. So A1 plus 101 by 2 here. So this is the value of mean, complete mean. So now what we can do? We can simply find the mean deviation, which we can equate to 25. What is mean deviation? Subtract each and every term, that is A1. Here it is A1 plus 101 divided by 2 now. So simply do this, A1 plus 101 divided by 2. So simply I am subtracting the first term and I am doing mod. A1 minus A1 minus 101 by 2, and it is mod, plus A2, that is A1 plus 1 minus A1 minus 101 by 2. So simply it will be like this, and it going on, and it is equal to 25. So here A1 will get cancelled, and it is mod, so it will be 101 by 2, plus here it is 2 minus 101 by 2. What it will become? It will become 99 by 2. Like that, it will decrease by how many units? 2 units. And if we see the last term, what is last term? Last term is A1 plus 99, and when we subtract this, minus A1 minus 101 by 2, it will become 99 minus 101 by 2. So it is simply 18, 9 is 18, 19 minus 101 by 2. What it will become? It will become, means it is a summation. How much summation it is? It is summation, and here when you see here, it is independent of the value of A1. Means here the A1 value is getting cancelled. A1 value is getting cancelled, and when you see this, what are the values of A? If A only gets cancelled, there is nothing here, means it is independent. That means the value is not depending with the value of A. The value of A here, that is A1, A2, A3, there is no values which depending here. So we can simply say for every natural number, this equation is true. So it is independent. That is the reason why you are saying that the answer is n here. So for every natural number, this equation is valid. So for every natural number it is valid. So there is no restriction for the values of A. For every natural number we can easily say this. And now the next question is question number 6. The mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16. If one observation If one observation 14 is omitted, the meaning of omitted is means we removed, is omitted. A and B or the mean and variance of remaining 6 terms, remaining 6 observations. Then they are asking A plus 3B minus 5. What is the value? So here they are simply saying the mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16. So there are 7 observations. The mean and variance of that 7 observations given as 8 and 16. If one of the observation means it is similar to the previous question, means one observation is incorrect and the misreading terms, these are same. But here what is the twist? We are reducing the observation here, not misreading. Means we are not done any mistake. We are just removing the observation. So first there are 7 observations. The sum of the 7 observations is here. It is given as 8, and the variance, that is sigma xi square divided by sum of that is 7 minus the mean is 8 square, that is 64, equal to 16. So basically these two equations are given to us. That is the sum, that is sigma x given, sigma xi is given. What is the sigma xi sum? That is 56, 8 7 56. And what is the sigma xi square sum? It is 16 plus 64, it is how much? 70, 80. 80 into 7, that is 560. That is sigma xi square. So these two sums are available to us. But now what they are saying, one observation 14 is omitted, means we have to subtract the this, that is sigma xi new. What is new? That is what is the sum of 6 observations, remaining 6 observations when we remove 14. That is 56 minus 14. What you will get? That is 52 minus 10, that is 42. So this is 42, and here we have to subtract minus 14 square because it is sigma xi square sum. So 560 minus 196. What you will get? You will get 364, that is 364. So sigma xi square is 364. So this is new. And now they are asking, is omitted A and B are the mean and variance. So now A and B are the new mean and variance. So here 42. 42 is the summation of 6 observations. So what is the mean of the observations? By divided by 6 simply. So 7 is a new mean we got. And here sigma x square is 364. 364 divided by 6 minus x bar whole square, that is 49. This is the new variance, this term. So we have to simply calculate 49 into 6, it is 6 9 54, 6 4 24, 294. So 364 minus 294 divided by 6, how much it is? 364 minus 294, it is simply 0. It is 16. 16 minus 9, it is 70. 70 divided by 6. So this is this correct? 70 only? 364, it is 64, yes, it is correct. And 2 3s 235 is 35 divided by 3. So here 35 divided by 3 means here A is a new mean, that is A equal to 7, B equal to 35 by 3. Now we have to solve this equation, that is A is 7, that is A plus 3B minus 5. What is A? 7 plus 3 into 35 divided by 3 minus 5. These two will get cancelled. This is 42. 42 minus 5, how much? It is 37. So the answer is 37 here. Like this you have to do. When you are seeing this video, you can switch to 1.5x in the YouTube, because the writing question and solving the question will take some more time. So you can skip this. You can switch to 1.5x or 2x with your convenience. So you can complete faster. And now the next question, that is 7th question. Let the 6 numbers A1, A2, A3 up to A6 are in AP, and A1 plus A3 equal to 10 if the mean of these 6 numbers is 19/2 and their variance, and the variance is sigma square, then 8 sigma square is option A, option B, option C. Basically we have to find variance here. Variance is sigma square. We have to find 8 sigma square multiplied. So this is a question. See what they are saying. Let the 6 numbers A1, A2, up to A6 are in AP. So basically the numbers given numbers are in AP. And they given the first term and the third term summation as 10. If the mean of these 6 observations is given as 19/2, what is the variance? That is a question. Basically the 6 observations are A1, A2, A3 up to A6. And is saying that mean, that is mean. Suppose if I take this as AP, so I can simply rewrite this. So don't do this blunder mistake. There are 6 unknowns here. You cannot find 6 unknowns in a question. So for finding 6 unknowns, you have to find 6 equations. 6 equations is not impossible here. You cannot find. So you have to rewrite these observations as A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D up to A plus 5D. These are the new observations. And what they are saying, the mean of these observations, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 5D, the summation, that is 6 observations, sum equal to how much? 19/2. So it is simply how many A's are there? 6 A's. 6 A's plus, if I take common D, I will get 1 to up to 5, that is 10 into 11/2. That is 55D, that is 6A plus 55D equal to 19 into 3, that is 57. So this is the one equation. And the next equation we can get A1 plus A3 equal to 10. What is A1? A1 is A. What is A3? A plus 2D equal to 10. So it is 2A plus 2D equal to 10. So simply A plus D equal to 5. So we can solve these two things. That is, when we multiply 6 here, it will become 30 plus 55D equal to 57. Simply I can subtract this. When I subtract this, it will get minus 49D equal to what we will get? What we can get? We can get here minus 49D equal to, when I subtract 30, what I will get? Minus 27. Is this correct? 1 second. The mean of the observations is given, divided by 6 equal to 19/2. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6, that is 6 A's. When I take D common, I will get, I will take n into n plus 1, that is 5. Here it went wrong. When I take D as common, I will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 5. What is the summation of 5? That is 5 into 6 by 2. It is simply 15, not 55. So this is a mistake here. So here it is 15. So it is 15. So when I subtract here, what I will get? 6d minus 15d. I will get minus 9d. Minus minus cancel, and d is here 3. D equal to 3. When d equal to 3, what is a? That is here a plus d equal to 5. When d is 3, a equal to 2. So a equal to 2, d equal to 3. These are the terms. And now we can simply rewrite the terms. A equal to 2 equal to 3. A equal to 2 here. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 3 to 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So simply it is difference of 3. So I can write here plus 3 here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 observations are here. That's it. These are the terms. For these terms, I have to find the variance now. What is variance? Sigma xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. What is sigma xi square summation of squares? Up to 70 square divided by n. How many terms there are? 6 minus x bar whole square. What is x bar? X bar is not mean. They are already given. 19 by 2. 19 by 2 whole square is 381 divided by 36. And now we have to find the squares. Squares is 17 square, it is 290, 289, 196, 14 square, 121, 11 square, 64, this 40, this is 25, 25, 4. Don't confuse, I am just squaring these terms in order to find the sum. It is 15, 16, 20, 29, 4, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 29, 3, 4, 5, 6, 699. 699 divided by 6 minus 381 divided by 36. So I can simply, what I can do, into 6 I can do. So 699 into 6 is 6 9 54, 6 9 54, 59, 6 6 are 36, 36, 41, 4194 minus 381 divided by 36. So 4194 minus 381, it is 11, it is 3813 divided by 36. So simply you can solve this. When you will get this? Basically the observations are this only. There is no doubt in this. One second. Wait, I will check the answer. 289 plus 196 plus 121 plus 64 plus 25 plus 4. Yes, I got correct only. And what is 19 square? 19 into 19, that is 9 9 81. That is 171, 9, 1, it is 116. Sorry, here it went wrong. It is 361. 361. So I have to minus 361 here. 361. So basically the silly mistakes only you will lose marks easily. 361, it is 361. 19 into 19, 9 9s are 81, 1 9s are 9, 17, 1 9s are 9, 1. It is 16, 361. Yes, it is 361 only. Four 4194 minus 361 divided by 36. Basically what we got is correct only, but we are thinking why it is not coming the answer. Basically we are getting sigma square, not 8 sigma square. We have to solve 8 sigma square, so we have to multiply this. That is 4194 minus 361. What you will get? 3, 3, it is 11, it is 3, 3833. 3833 divided by 36 you are getting, but this is sigma square, we have to multiply into 8. So what you will get? 3833 3833 into 8 divided by 36. See, like this silly mistakes we will do. Here why we are 19 square 361 is correct. Why you are keeping 36 here? It is 19 by 2 whole square na. It is 4 here and it is 6. So we have to solve this only. These are all the wrong ones. What is the sum here? 699 divided by 6 minus 364 divided by 4. Simply how to solve this? The LCM is how much LCM? LCM is suppose 24. So it is 699 into 4 minus 361 into 6. 699 into 4, that is 36, 36, 39, 39, 24, 2796 minus, it is 36, 6, 60, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2166 divided by 24. And this is the sigma square, and we have to multiply 8 to get the answer. 8 ones, 8 threes. And what is the difference here? 796 minus 216, 166.